Hey guys, this is how to unsend mail in Gmail. So guys, first I'll go show you an example. So click on compose over here. So let's say I'm gonna send an email to someone and click on send. And after that, you should be able to see here the undo button over here, guys. So just simply click on that in order for you to undo it. And now, in order for you to extend it, you can just simply go for the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and then go to see all settings. And from here, you should be able to see undo send, and you can have it extend up to 30 seconds, and you should be able to have the pop-up much more longer. And make sure to scroll down and make sure to save the changes over here down below. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, guys, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See ya.